Samsung Galaxy M20, an answer to Xiaomi's Redmi lineup from Samsung. It has 5000 mAh battery, 12 plus 5 megapixel camera, Infinity V display, which is nothing but Samsung's own teardrop display name, and whatnot. Is this the phone for millennials? But what about its build quality? Let's find out. To achieve this, Samsung could have done great compromise in its build quality. Up front, we have 6.3-inch Full HD display with teardrop notch, 19.5:9 aspect ratio and 409 ppi. Plastic screen scratches at level 3, tempered glasses at level 6 and sapphire at 809. We can see scratches at level 6 and more at level 7, so no need to worry about any day-to-day scratches. The entire front is protected by glass, so no way of scratching the display easily. At top, we have 8 megapixel front camera with f2.2 aperture, which is also covered by the same glass. The earpiece is covered by plastic. That looks good. The entire side frame and back panel is made up of plastic, like what we saw in Honor 10 Lite and Realme 2 Pro. To the top, we have 13 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual camera with f1.9 aperture, which is also covered under glass. The flash is covered with plastic. To the right, we have volume rockers and power button, which is also made up of metal. To the left, we have SIM card tray, which is made up of plastic. To the top, we have microphone. And at the bottom, we have 3.5mm headphone jack, speaker grill, and guess what? USB Type-C port. Great work, Samsung. Great work. Samsung Galaxy M20 survived around 10 seconds when it was in direct contact with the frame, but soon recovered after heat dissipation. There were no burn or blue marks left behind. Expect one if you are having an AMOLED display. The FPS in M20 is one of the fastest I have ever used in mid-range smartphones. Thumbs up for that. Now let's check whether it can detect wet or dirty fingers. Nope, it doesn't. Only ultrasonic fingerprint sensors can detect those like what we saw in Max 2 Pro and Honor 10. The fingerprint sensor module gets easily scratched by my razor blade. Obviously it gets scratched by my razor blade. But can it detect a fingerprint after that? No, it doesn't. So keep your fingerprint sensor module neat and clean. Can Samsung Galaxy M20 survive a 2-minute water test? Let's find out. Yes, the phone survives. Everything works perfectly without any problem. Even the speaker. The video you're seeing right now shows the actual audio from the phone. This is the part I've been waiting for. Will Samsung Galaxy M20 survive a bend test? Nope, it doesn't. The phone completely bends and the display pops out. This display pops out completely and breaks near the volume rockers, which is the weak link for any smartphone. The display of the phone completely goes off. It's unresponsive. This is the second phone we are testing this year, and the same thing happened to Honor 10 Lite too. The phone becomes completely unusable. So, should you buy this phone? Please don't. It's not that durable as you think. These are one of those phones which you feel will not survive for long-term use as soon as you take it in your hand. You have more options like Zenfone Max Pro M2 and Realme 2 Pro for the price you pay. If you feel or if you gonna buy this one, you will regret in coming days. Also, M20 will be the second phone to enter the worst built phones ever in 2019. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to Durabilitymark if you find the video useful. See you in my next video. Peace.